Right, so part two is going to be a 1,000 word report on your presentation slash event. Okay, so your health promotion report title is a theoretical justification and analysis of event. So it depends on what topic you select. So as always, the word count here is just a guide. It's unit 5 and you've done so much unwritten work, so at this point I know that you know how to sort your word count. So criteria 1.1, so this report covers all criteria, as you can see there, 1.1, 1.2 and 2.2. So 1.1 says analyze some examples of health promotion as it relates to society and the individual. So for whatever health topic that you pick, so smoking, obesity, cancer, whatever it is that you want to throw light on, what health promotion activity have you chosen for that health topic, and analyze how that example relates to health promotion to society as well as on an individual basis. This is not going to make sense right now, but once we go through criteria 1.1, it will start to make sense. Okay, so select one health promotion example and evaluate how it relates to society and the individual. So your section 2, which is criteria 2.2, says explain the rationale for the event in relation to health promotion theory. You're going to pick a health topic and you're going to pick a health promotion activity related to that topic. As part of that activity, you'll be highlighting a health promotion theory. Okay, now you are to justify why you've picked that activity, justify the reason for picking your health topic and the information presented. You're going to select significant aspects of your health promotion theory and why you've applied them to your activity. So it's just the justification of why you're doing what you're doing. 2.2 is analyze the effectiveness of your own participation of the approved health promotion activity. Okay, so you're going to have to get creative. This is what they're asking for. Yeah, this is what OCN is asking for. But if for any reason we're not doing it as a group, analyze yourself throughout the whole process. Yeah, analyze the sources that you checked, what you experienced throughout, your knowledge improving, skills that you used, PowerPoints, making posters, whatever you've experienced, whatever your participation and how effective the things that you found or the things that you did made your health promotion presentation good. I don't know if that makes sense, but we will talk about this when we switch to Zoom. Okay, so you have 300 words to toot your own horn, basically, and obviously conclude. Okay, all that bit you know. It says a minimum of 3 books cited as part of your presentation. Now you can reference books, you can reference websites. I would appreciate in whatever kind of resources you use, if you're using leaflets, if you're making posters, if you're using statistics that you are showing, it's just basically showing me that you can reference. Again, it's unit 5. I know that you can reference, but I just need to be able to show OCN that yes, within unit 5, this student has been able to show me Harvard referencing skills. Okay, so that is unit 5. Just to recap, your part 1 is health promotion event or individual presentation. This is going to be, at this point, I'm just going to say individual presentation, okay? Because we don't know what's happening after Easter, but I would rather just prepare for individual so that even if we do go back, you've already started to do the work over Easter. and you'll be doing it individually, not as a group. So let's just go. Yeah, let's just go with individual presentation. So this is an individual presentation. You're going to do it via Zoom. To myself, you'll be presenting a health promotion activity. You can make it as fun, interactive, colourful, creative. Get the kids involved, get the husband involved, yeah, and I'll just sit here and laugh, and it will be great. So it's individual presentation, because if this was an event, you would be presenting to staff, students, visitors. So I want you to still have fun with it, okay? So make it as creative as you can. Pick a health topic, do some research around it. As we go through all the criteria, you start to learn about health promotion activities, health promotion approaches, and health promotion models. That will form how you choose to do your activity. Okay, so make it creative, make it relevant, use good sources and use good content. And then your report is taking that health promotion activity that you've done and tell me, how does it relate to the individual and how does it relate to society? Justify why you've chosen your health promotion activity, your health promotion topic, your health promotion theory, and then analyze your journey throughout finding information for your health promotion activity. Okay, and you do that in 8,000 words. Okay, I hope that's clear. By the end of this lecture, I want us to jump onto Zoom and we'll just have a chat. You can throw me whatever questions and whatever concerns you have regarding this assignment. Okay, all right, so we're going to start the lecture in the next video.